Hey Madness fam, in this video I will be making pork stew with red cooking wine in my crock pot. So the first thing you need to do is, if you don't have your pork in cubes, you're going to want to cut your pork and make them in cubes. Okay? Then we are going to put them in our pot, or like I said, in my crock pot. And I'm going to season them, and I'll show you how I do that next. So I put a little bit of olive oil, my pork cubes, garlic, pepper, adobo. And I'm going to let this cook and like toss it around and let this cook for like, let's say 15 minutes. And I will toss it around with the olive oil, and then after I will show you what I do next. Added the wine, the red wine, and a can of tomato sauce. So now I'm going to close it and let this cook for about let's say 30-35 minutes, and then I'll check on it. While my stew is cooking, I am going to be making guava cookies, some sweet sugar guava cookies, and I'll show you my steps. So in the bowl I have all of my ingredients to make my cookie batter: melted butter, vanilla extract, and 1 egg, flour, baking powder. If I'm missing anything, I will add it in the description down below. Make sure you grease your cookie sheet. Once your batter is all mixed, you'll get your topping ready. For me, I will be having guava in mine. So you would take a spoonful of your cookie batter, depending on how big you want them. And then I'll show you how I add in my guava paste. You could put anything on it: chocolate chips, sprinkles, whatever you like. While I was preparing my cookies, I had my oven preheating on 400. After I put my guava paste, I baked the cookies on 350 for 12 minutes. 12 minutes in the oven on 350. Beautifully done. Tell them how it tastes.
It's like a fortune cookie.
And taste the jelly part. You like it? Where you going with it? Forgot to record the stew that I made, but it was a 10 out of 10. I'm going to be making a bunch of different stews this upcoming fall. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and become part of the Madness fam. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.